See, in 100 seconds, constants and macros. 3 ways to define values that never change. First, pound define. The preprocessor replaces the name with the value before the code even compiles. PI becomes 3.14, max becomes 100. No type, no memory, just text substitution. Enum gives names to a set of integers. Red is 0, green is 1, blue is 2, assigned automatically. Const makes a typed variable the compiler won't let you change. It lives in memory with a real type. Print them all. Defined values get substituted in. Const stays a variable. Enum resolves to an int. Use enum to create a color variable. Green prints as 1, the second value in the set. PI, max, year, and color, each defined a different way, all locked in place. Next up, typecasting.